Hello and welcome to the channel. If you haven't done so already, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. It helps me out with the algorithm. Good old algorithm. Okay, so I made this video behind me a few days ago, even though it was late. I apologize for that. There's an update to the video actually that I'm gonna go through. Toyota has done the right thing, which I knew they will. It's Toyota. I mean, come on, you don't want no negative PR. No company wants negative PR, especially it's being talked to throughout the whole, different journalisms are covering the stories. So I'm sure they were. I don't know if they're trying to. I don't know if they're trying to do the right thing or if they're just trying to kind of like save face. I don't know about that. But then again, it is Toyota. So let's go ahead and read their statements, and then I will talk just a little bit more about just warranty and stuff like that. To me, like I covered more about the warranty situation on this video, so I will leave a link in the description, or I will put it up here. Gotta pause for like a few seconds. Like up here somewhere, if you're interested in this video right here. So let's go ahead and do that now. Alrighty, so here we go. Toyota says that using a GR86 on a racetrack will not necessarily void its warranty, will rebuild owner's engine. So that's really great news. Um, I'm really happy for Blake that he's able to get a brand new engine installed completely for free. And then here's another side story. When I sold my brother my 2013 Subaru WRX, he lent his friend drive it that has not driven a stick shift before, and he blew his engine. So, and at the time, I believe my Subaru was tuned, but we knew somebody that worked at the dealerships, and he told us what to do to, like reset it, like reset the ECU over and over and over and over and over until it cleared that code where that the car was tuned, and he was able to get a brand new engine installed on his WRX. So he's got a WRX with a brand new engine, even though on the odometer it may show like 55,000 miles, but you have like a less than a couple, thousand miles on the engine. So that's nice. I wish I can have the car back, but that car was fun. Anyway, here we go. Regarding the 2022 GR86 owned by Blake Alvarado, the Toyota GR brand is driven by enthusiasts. That is a fact. That is the reason why these cars are selling, because enthusiasts are buying them, they're modding them, and doing all sorts of things with them. I think manufacturers should, put out, or they should partner up with aftermarket, community or aftermarket companies in order to pump out these parts, so then you're covered if anything happens to your vehicle. I think that would be a really neat idea. But, that whole, modding community and all that good stuff, it's kind of coming towards an end here, especially here in California where they're trying to transition into full EV. But anyway, that's going a different route. Let's go back right here. I apologize. Sometimes I'll go in like, yeah, yes, it happens. Focus on delivering incredible experiences wherever the driver may take their vehicles, including the closed course settings for which their vehicles are designed, so long as they are driven in a manner that falls within the terms of the warranty. It means don't abuse it, don't rev the shit out of it, don't miss shift, just don't make a mistake, don't do or abuse it, beat the shit out of the engine and stuff like that, then it should be okay. While the vehicle's warranty excludes damage that results from activities such as misuse, racing, simply participating in National Auto Sport Association, NASA, high performance driving events, HPDE, or similar NASA instructional events provided complimentary to GR owners. So that's the one that they provide for themselves. You can't give me an option to go to this. Like, you're giving it to me for free to go, take my car to this closed circuit. But if you do, you could get to warranty voided. How does that make sense? Does that make sense at all? And you're offering me a discount to buy a helmet? What? What? This shit didn't make sense to me at all. I think that they are doing the right thing though. complementary to GR owners would not in itself void the warranty. Warranty claims are evaluated on a case-by-case basis. Based on further review, we determined the repair for Mr. Alvarado's vehicle in this case is covered under warranty. As always, we encourage customers who experience any issues with their vehicle to contact their authorized Toyota dealers or call the Toyota Brand Engagement Center. Yeah, when the dealer is not able to resolve the issue. And another thing, when you are gonna be, hold on, let me just read this statement and then I'll go on what I was gonna say before. It is now saying that attending a high performance driving event won't necessarily void the warranty of a GR86, but it might. But it still might though, because it's a necessarily. It's like a little bit of a wiggle room to kind of give themselves an out. Because they can still, like, let's just say you go to the events and you beat the shit out of the motor and the engine blows up, then they can decide to kind of void your warranty, even though it says necessarily void your warranty. But there's still a little bit of a room for them to do it if they feel like it. This is still a good reminder to be careful what you post online. You never know who's watching. That is completely true. I agree with that. I think I've covered this in a separate video. Be careful what you guys put out there. I mean, there's certain stuff that I've done, some stupid things out there, but I damn well did not record them. And if I did, I probably deleted it, or it's probably sitting on my phone or somewhere. When you have a nice fast car, you tend to do some stupid dumb shit with it, unfortunately. But you always want to make sure not to post it online and do, because it's so true. You never know who's really watching, so you got to be careful. That's why don't be posting dumb shit. Don't be putting dumb shit online and getting yourself in trouble. And also, what I was going to say is that this issue is going to be far more widespread unless they have a permanent solution. I don't know if they are. If more cars are having this issue, eventually they're going to have to do a recall, but we'll see what happens. I'm going to keep an eye on this for sure. But it's a good day. Happy for Blake getting his car fixed. I think that's the right thing for Toyota to do. Whether they're trying to save face or they're trying to kind of like, I don't know. I honestly don't know, but I do believe that Toyota is a solid company. They try to do the right thing ever so possible, but the dealers don't give a shit, man, because they have to replace it, and warranty work does not help out dealers at all. So therefore, that's why they're trying to avoid, covering that, because that's 11 grand, and that's not including the parts and labor. I mean, that's not including the labor that's going to take. Okay, so you're paying $11,000 for a brand new engine, so the labor might be like $4,000 to $5,000, depending on how much is the hourly rate for that labor is, and guess who's putting that money out? The dealership. But anyway, as always, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And yeah, you have yourself a very nice day. And this is a very good news. All right, have a good one.